Okay, viewers, we have a breaking news coming in. So, showdown over Nomani's remarks is exploding, and now there is BJP leader Kirit Somaiya who's filed a complaint, and he's claimed that vote jihad hate speech is being spread by the AIM-PLB Neta. He's calling this speech as hate speech. Listen in, or we'll obviously, read out that report also. But meanwhile, Shrishti is joining us live on the broadcast. Shrishti, showdown over Nomani's remark is exploding. Take us through exactly what Kirit Somaiya, BJP leader, had to say in his complaint.
Well, of course, Kirit Somaiya, BJP leader, has written a letter to Election Commission of India and mentioned that the statements which has been given by the Sajid Nomani, they are wrong and they come under the speech which is spreading hatred, and that's why he has filed a complaint. He has also mentioned in the particular letter that this is violating model code of conduct and such speeches should not be given. Also, earlier there were several BJP leaders who were alleging vote jihad, and now with the statement which is coming in from Sajid Nomani that reflects the BJP leaders, allegations which they were making earlier. Now, Sajid Nomani importantly mentioned that those people who have, helped BJP or supported BJP during Lok Sabha elections, their hookah pani should be stopped. That means they should not be, included in the society. They should not be taken into consideration. That kind of statement has been given by Sajid Nomani. He also mentioned that to prevail our rule, that means we have to counter the central government, and to counter the central government we have to mobilize the votes and bring in power Mahavikas Aghadi in the state of Maharashtra. Also, he has mentioned that to make this happen, importantly, Sharad Pawar, Nana Patole and MV Alliance partners are the people who one should support, and these are the statements which has been given by Sajid Nomani. Now that has gone against to obviously for the BJP leaders. Yet again, Kirit Somaiya is up in arms, and he is saying that this is vote jihad dynamics which is playing out.
Exactly, and that's the big claim which Kirit Somaiya is making, and that is over Sajid Nomani's speech. We've also put out a copy of that complaint on your screens, viewer. Kirit Somaiya of the BJP has filed a complaint over Nomani's speech, but what did he exactly say? This is the same cleric, remember, viewers, who had backed the MVA. Listen in to what Sajid Nomani said, and then we will talk more about this war of words.